Hi everyone, this is Design Studio Ideas and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you modern sofa cover design. Sofa covers are one of the luxurious way of life for every home. It is the best decorative piece to renovate the room while also providing great protection of your favorite furniture. The sofa makes the living room more lovely and allows to sit comfortably and relax with family and friends. This is the reason why the sofa covers are necessary and used in almost all homes. It not only gives great looks but also protects your sofa from tear and wear. If your sofa is L-shaped or corner combined two parts separately, then you need to have two-piece cover for it. It suits more type of sofa like fabric sofa, leather sofa. It is the best sofa cover to protect your sofa from water, dust and stains. It impresses your guest with the beautiful cover design. It has a beautiful flower print which gives you a warm and refreshing summer feeling. It also gives your furniture protection from spills, stains and wear to prevent it from getting too spoiled. It is perfect cover for you if you are looking for some refreshing print covers. Traditional sofa covers are the best fit sofa cover for your living room. It gives a classical traditional look to your sofa. It is easy to maintain and is a beautiful piece of cover your sofa with. Sofas come in all forms, shapes and size. The attractiveness of a sofa depends on many factors including your living room design and color scheme as well as your personal preference. There are fabric sofas, leather sofas, reclining sofas, sofa beds and more. Each type of sofa has its own unique appeal and function. A slipcover sofa is simply a couch with the sofa covers that can be removed and changed if so needed. Just as you remove and change your clothes, you can remove and change the sofa cover. The immediate advantage is having a slipcover sofas is of course maintenance. Since the sofa cover can always be removed and dry cleaned, stains are not that big of a deal. This makes slipcover sofas ideal for families with young children or pets who could potentially dirty the furniture. Slipcover sofas are more affordable than fixed cover sofas, and in more ways than one. If you intend to freshen up your living room and changes the design of your sofa, for example, the cost of buying a new sofa cover is dramatically lower than the cost of your sofa all over again. Additionally, taking off your sofa cover and sending it to the dry cleaners is more affordable than hiring expensive cleaning services. While there are viable methods like trading in your old sofa for a new one, buying a new sofa cover is still the more cost effective way. This makes slip cover sofas more versatile with regards to design. You can always buy sofa covers to match the new theme of the year. Today, increasing ecological consciousness, we want to be sure that as consumers, we are doing our part to lessen our carbon footprint. Eco-friendly habits like using your own metal straws and reusable grocery bags are increasing popular. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.